Disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. The exercises, workout routines, and fitness tips provided in this video are based on general recommendations and are not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a physician or qualified healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, particularly if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, injuries, or are pregnant. By participating in any exercises or workout routines depicted in this video, you assume full responsibility for any risks, injuries, or damages, known or unknown, which you might incur as a result. The creators of this video and its affiliates shall not be held liable for any injury or harm that you may experience. Please exercise within your limits, use proper form, and listen to your body. The holiday season is a time for celebration, joy, and, let's be honest, a little indulgence. With all the festive gatherings, delicious treats, and cozy nights in, it can be easy to let our fitness routines slip. However, staying fit during this time is crucial not just for our physical health but also for our mental well-being. Maintaining an active lifestyle can help combat the stress that often accompanies the holidays, boost our energy levels, and keep us feeling our best as we navigate through the festivities. But how do we fit in a workout when our schedules are packed with shopping, cooking, and socializing? The good news is that quick and effective exercises can easily be integrated into even the busiest of days. Whether it's a 15-minute HIIT session in the morning or a quick walk after dinner, there are plenty of ways to stay active without sacrificing precious holiday time. In this video, we'll explore a holiday body workout plan designed to keep you fit and energized throughout the season. Get ready to discover simple yet effective exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. Let's make this holiday season not just about indulgence but also about embracing a healthier, happier you. Understanding the holiday challenge. As the holiday season approaches, many of us face a unique set of challenges when it comes to staying fit. Busy schedules filled with shopping, parties, and family gatherings can leave little time for exercise. On top of that, the abundance of holiday meals, often rich in calories and indulgent treats, can make it tempting to stray from our healthy habits. Stress also plays a significant role, as the pressure to create the perfect holiday experience can lead to emotional eating and a lack of motivation to work out. Recognizing these factors is the first step in overcoming them. It's essential to understand that you're not alone in facing these challenges. They are common for many during this time of year. Maintaining your energy levels and overall health is crucial, not just for fitting into that holiday outfit but for enjoying the season to its fullest. By acknowledging these obstacles, you can develop strategies to manage them effectively. Whether it's planning quick workouts, making healthier choices at holiday meals, or finding ways to unwind and reduce stress, there are manageable solutions available. In this video, we'll dive deeper into these challenges and provide practical tips to help you navigate the holiday season while staying fit and energized. Quick and effective exercises. When it comes to staying fit during the holiday season, quick and effective workouts can be a game changer. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is that they require no equipment and can be done anywhere, whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even at a family gathering. Let's explore some simple yet powerful exercises that can fit seamlessly into your busy days. First up, we have bodyweight squats. These are fantastic for strengthening your legs and glutes. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Next, push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. You can modify them by doing them on your knees if needed. Try to complete 3 sets of 8-12 reps. Finally, planks are excellent for core stability. Hold a plank position for 20-30 seconds, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. The key to making these workouts effective is to keep your sessions short, think 10 to 15 minutes. This makes it easier to fit them into your day without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, consistency is more important than duration. Even a quick workout can yield great results if done regularly. So, let's commit to staying active this holiday season, one quick workout at a time. Incorporating movement into daily life. Staying active doesn't always mean hitting the gym for an hour. It can be seamlessly woven into your daily routine. One simple yet effective way to boost your activity levels is to take the stairs instead of the elevator. This small change can elevate your heart rate and strengthen your legs, all while saving you time waiting for the lift. Another great tip is to walk or bike for short errands instead of driving. Not only does this help you get in some exercise, but it also reduces your carbon footprint and allows you to enjoy the fresh air. Whether it's a quick trip to the grocery store or a visit to a friend nearby, consider opting for a more active mode of transportation. Additionally, if you find yourself sitting for long periods, whether at work or home, it's essential to schedule short activity breaks. Set a timer to remind yourself to stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk every hour. These breaks can help improve circulation, boost your energy, and enhance your focus. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily life, you can stay active and energized throughout the holiday season. Remember, every little bit counts, and making movement a part of your routine can lead to lasting health benefits. Nutrition tips for the holidays. The holiday season is synonymous with delicious food and festive meals, but maintaining a balanced diet during this time can be a challenge. One effective strategy is to fill half your plate with vegetables at holiday gatherings. This not only adds essential nutrients to your meal but also helps you feel fuller, making it easier to resist the more indulgent options. Think colorful salads, roasted veggies, or steamed greens to brighten up your plate. Mindful eating practices can also play a significant role in enjoying holiday treats without overindulging. Take the time to savor each bite, focusing on the flavors and textures of your food. This can help you appreciate your favorite dishes more and recognize when you're satisfied, reducing the likelihood of mindless snacking. Additionally, keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day is crucial. Opt for healthy snack options like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit to curb hunger between meals. These snacks provide essential nutrients and can help prevent you from arriving at holiday gatherings overly hungry, which often leads to overeating. By implementing these nutrition tips, you can enjoy the festive season while still prioritizing your health. Remember, it's all about balance and making mindful choices that allow you to celebrate without compromising your well-being. Staying motivated and energized. Maintaining motivation and energy during the holiday season can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's entirely achievable. One effective approach is to set realistic fitness goals that align with your holiday schedule. Instead of aiming for an intense workout regimen, focus on achievable targets, such as committing to 3 short workouts a week or incorporating a daily walk. This way, you can stay active without feeling overwhelmed by your commitments. Finding a workout buddy can also significantly boost your motivation. Having someone to share your fitness journey with not only makes exercising more enjoyable but also holds you accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or coworker, working out together can create a supportive environment that encourages you to stick to your goals, even when holiday festivities tempt you to skip your routine. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of rest and recovery. The holiday season can be hectic, and pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout. Make sure to schedule downtime to recharge, whether it's through a relaxing evening at home or a leisurely walk in nature. Prioritizing rest will help you maintain your energy levels and keep your motivation high, allowing you to enjoy the holidays while staying committed to your fitness journey. Creating a holiday workout schedule. Planning your workouts around holiday activities can help you stay committed to your fitness goals while still enjoying the festive season. One effective strategy is to block out specific times for workouts in your calendar. Treat these workout sessions like important appointments, ensuring you prioritize them amidst the hustle and bustle of holiday preparations. Whether it's a morning jog or an evening strength session, having designated times can help you stay on track. Another great way to incorporate fitness into your holiday plans is by integrating family activities. Consider organizing group walks after meals or engaging in fun games like tag or frisbee in the backyard. These activities not only promote physical activity but also create lasting memories with loved ones, making fitness a shared experience. Flexibility is key during the holidays, so be prepared to adjust your schedule as needed. If unexpected events arise or plans change, don't stress. Instead, look for alternative times to fit in your workouts, whether it's a quick session in the morning or a short routine before bed. The goal is to maintain consistency without feeling overwhelmed. By creating a holiday workout schedule that accommodates your festivities, you can enjoy the season while staying active and energized. Conclusion. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed about staying fit during the holiday season. We highlighted the importance of quick workouts that can easily fit into your busy schedule, proving that even short sessions can be effective in maintaining your fitness. Staying active is crucial not only for your physical health but also for your mental well-being during this festive time. We also shared practical tips for incorporating movement into your daily life, such as taking the stairs, walking or biking for short errands, and scheduling activity breaks during long periods of sitting. Additionally, we discussed nutrition strategies to help you enjoy holiday meals while maintaining a balanced diet, emphasizing the value of mindful eating and healthy snack options. Now, it's time to put these tips into action for a healthier holiday season. Remember, consistency is key, and every little effort counts. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's make this holiday season not just about indulgence but also about embracing a healthier lifestyle.